All right, guys, as you can see, we are at Griff's Garage. You already know what that means. I don't even want to show what we're working on too soon, but we are at Griff's Garage. The last time we was here, we got the emblems and we got the banner. What are we getting today? We got the man himself, Griff, right there.
Doing big boy mods today.
Big boy mods today. Big boy mods, man. This will be the last Mopar that I bring to him. Unless I get a T-Rex or something wild like that. Or a Jeep, because he's heavy with the Jeeps. That's one Wrangler and another one right around the corner. He's about to take over the Wrangler scene. As you can see, that big yellow sign right there, Camaro. But there's no more Camaro here, right?
Yeah. Got rid of my baby.
Got rid of the baby. That's cool. On to the next one, man. Well, you got rid of it and so did Chevy, because they're not bringing the Camaro back either.
Right.
What do you think about the C8s?
C8s aren't bad.
I don't think I could see you in a C8. I feel like that's just not enough muscle for you.
If I were to do another one, I mean, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not opposed to, like, the Mustangs and stuff either. Like,
Oh, yeah, the new one?
Yeah, I've been in a couple of Mustangs. Like, they're smooth.
Very nice.
So I wouldn't be opposed to a Mustang either. But I'll probably go back to another Camaro.
Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's see if that camera's going to pick it up. You see that? See the outline of that's the emboss right there. Now he's going to go to work. So this is the third Charger that you've done for me.
Yep.
Because you did my first one, my V6, and I got that stripe off of eBay for 80 bucks. And I thought that was expensive.
Yeah, you definitely upgraded since then.
Yeah. And then I brought the Scat. And you've done obviously all of my banners. Super clean work. All of my Instagram stuff on the side. Done all my stripes. And now we're on to something new. On a rainy day up here in what do we call this? Like Kannapolis?
Salisbury.
Salisbury. I should know that. But Griff's gonna get you taken care of, man. Whatever you need, all sorts of designs and everything. He does it all. That's another Wrangler around the corner. He's gonna take care of you. I'll put the link and everything in the description. You talk to him. Whatever vinyl work you need, he'll do it. Everything except for rapping. So you're not rapping.
Yeah, I don't do full raps.
Okay. He's not taking off bumpers and side skirts and all that.
I don't have the time for that.
Yeah. Yeah. But other than that, any vinyl work, he's your guy. I've been coming to him since 2015, so trust me when I say I trust him. That should give you some sort of indication what color we're going with. All right, squad, I can't show you too much, right? Because it's a bit of a surprise, but I can at least show you the color and let you know we're going back with it. Stripe again. But there's something on the body that I just can't show you just yet. Very nice. All right, guys, so here's the top, obviously. We went with the white. Still can't show you what's on the hood. Can't even show you what's on the trunk yet. We're working on the trunk. We're gonna go all the way, even on the trunk, because I'm not putting a spoiler or whatever back here, wicker bill. I'm gonna keep it painted like it is, keep it clean like it is, and go from there. But it's gonna be solid work. Very nice. Look at the mastermind right there. Oh, is that an issue?
No, I don't think so. I think I can get around it.
Okay. Cause that's my for my wolf box, so it's got the rearview mirror.
Yeah, no, it won't get annoying.
I thought, okay, I was hoping.
Yeah, we're good.
Gotcha. Because I think he actually screwed these in or drilled these into the body. I don't know. So I don't think this camera will move at all.
Yeah, it's over far enough.
Okay, perfect. See, this right here is quality. It's not enough to just come down, right? You're creating the illusion when you look at it like that. You need to fill this part in. Now, he says this is not going to affect my sensor. We'll see when I'm backing up into something. I don't think it will. What?
No.
Oh, okay.
No,
I thought you were going to say something, but no. This looks good right
I've
here.
never heard anybody having problems.
Yeah, this looks good right here. And then, of course, I can't even show you the rest of it yet. I don't want to do it. But we're looking good. sir.
I guess got that little bit of curve to it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Very clean. Very clean. Well, guys, here it is. We went a little different this time. Got the Knockout 360 in the stripe, and it's embossed. So in other words, there's a layer under it, and you can feel it. But it's got it on top as well. So it's embossed in the sense that this zero right here is under it, and there's another level of another layer of vinyl on top of it that's got the actual letter. Here it is. Yes, sir. So this is the exact same stripe as I had on the Scat. A little different than obviously what I had on the V6. Going all the way up here. Quality work. Obviously he's not going to put it on the sunroof. Then it follows all the way back. And then of course, this is the Charlotte Crown. If you're in North Carolina, you know what this represents. Goes all the way down. Quality work. And the good thing about this is with my last one, I had the wicker bill, and the wicker bill, we didn't put anything on it, but on this one we did. God, man right here, Griffs.Garage.
That's it.
That's the man. I'm in love. And look at it from the back.
Yeah,
yes.
the back.
The presence definitely gives it some flavor. So like I said, it's embossed under here so you can feel it, right? You can feel it raised, but it's also on top. I'm keeping the red because I like kind of how the red with my calipers, because I don't want to change my caliper color. I don't want to go all white. Yes. Yes, sir. And that's what it looks like. God, that looks mean. That looks mean. Damn, Griff, you have outdone yourself. And like I said, we're keeping the red up there because it's red in the back, and I got red calipers. Yes, sir. Griffs.Garage, y'all. Check him out.
Yeah,
he's gonna take care of you.
We'll do it
All
again.
3 of my Chargers, he's been taking care of. And then of course we got the white on the side with the Knockout 360.
Yeah, that profile is great.
Yes. Very nice. God, I love that.
That's a great profile.
Very much so. Oh yeah. Look at how it's nice and cut. Very nice. Very nice. Griffs.Garage, everybody, check him out. You see what he does to his Jeep. He's got another one around the corner. All sorts of crazy vinyl work. Check him out.
Yeah, check me out.
He's been all over my channel, so this is not the first time, but this thing is a beast. I'm in love, Griff. Thank you, man. Like, just look at the rear. Like, it makes it look so different. And the fact that it's lower too, so it's not so high up. Nice and planted to the ground. Yeah. Griffs.Garage, everyone. Check them out. He can get you square. See you guys in the next one.